Are you in the middle of your healing journey, just started, looking for a little bit of support to help you move through the next phase of your healing? Maybe that's about making a decision. Maybe that's about changing behaviors or moving through certain friendships, letting go of certain aspects of who you used to be and stepping into the new. All that requires a little bit of help from your nervous system. Remember that your nervous system is really responsible for a couple of very important things. Number one, assessing danger. On high alert, it will send adrenaline, oxytocin, serotonin, all those high alert type of hormones to keep you invigorated, agitated, so that you can sense danger coming. Or your nervous system can also regulate rest and digest. Everything's cool, I'm good, everything's fine. And all of those things need a little signal. We need to rewire the nervous system a little bit so that we can move out of a state of danger into a state of more restful and relaxed kind of responses. Are you ready? Did you hear what you needed to hear? Good, let's begin now. Take a moment, roll out your shoulders. Good. We're going to be working on the shoulders today using the very powerful angles of the shoulders to activate the heart and get the nervous system going. And we'll be using mantra. Stay tuned. Let's go into it now. So press your palms together at the center of your chest. Close your eyes down. Very quick intro with the mantra, the Adi mantra to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Beautiful. Think of this sound vibration as a way of cueing the mind. I'm getting ready to do some work here, and that's a good thing. All right, so now on your left side, left arm is up at a 60-degree angle, palm is facing downwards, and with your opposite hand, press your first finger and thumb to touch, and then turn that so that you are facing forward. So everything is facing forward, fingers are straight up. Good. And here we chant the mantra Waheguru 8 times. Waheguru is the mantra of ecstasy. Let's begin. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Let's begin. Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. 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 Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Beautiful. Relax this all down. And now we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. So take a moment, relax, come back into your tall, straight spine, realign yourself. Good. Now on the left side, first finger and thumb to touch. And right arm is all the way up, palm is facing down. And here, 8 repetitions of Waheguru. Then a deep inhale, and then we begin again. Take a deep inhale to begin. Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. 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 Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Last one. Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Hold the breath, hold the posture, and softly exhale. Release everything, sit quietly. Keeping your eyes closed, just notice how your body's feeling. Now, you may have noticed a little bit of shaking, a little bit of movement in your body, a little bit of drifting from side to side. All good news, all good things. It's your nervous system responding. It's your body and the sound and the breath all coming together to give you a little lift, a little boost for whatever you need next. Satnam, my name is Salima, yoga therapist, and this has been your meditative experience with your nervous system. If you're looking for more, check out YogaVision.com. Lots of love.